I got up late, which is really annoying, but I got up about half an hour before the workday starts, which isn't really enough time to do all the things I want to do. I've actually not been able to sleep since the Christmas holidays properly, so my morning routine is kind of a mess right now. I've got my mug, I've had my first call of the day, got some chat in, so at least I've spoken to a couple other human beings so far, which is kind of good, I guess. Today is a bit of a whistle-stop tour day, just because it's Friday, and on Fridays I really like to tie up all loose ends so that I'm not kind of frazzled over the weekend. But my busy season hasn't properly started yet. It's gonna start next week. So I'm kind of using this week to kind of prepare myself for that. So I'm getting into a good routine with work, I'm trying to get into a good routine of drinking water. And since I'm back in my flat in Edinburgh, I've kind of like rearranged the place as well. So I'm near the window, which is making so much of a difference, because working in the dark and in the cold is really my ideal version of hell. And another thing I want to bring up, which I think is a really, really good idea for both busy season and just working in general, I have put an out of office on for my lunchtime every day, so hopefully no one messages me on my lunch. But I won't be replying anyway, because my plan is to just go away from the laptop during my lunchtime. Lunchtime. What am I doing? So I'm gonna work out and I'm gonna do a quick 20-minute hit. I'm gonna also put a quick lunch on that's super yummy. I'll show you how I make that as well. It's 25 minutes in the oven, 10 minutes to prep, super healthy, super filling, high protein, and yummy as well, because I really like well-seasoned food. So I will show you that and do my workout too. Yep, that's it. Hopefully signing off soon, but today's been a tiny bit of a dull day, but that's probably a wrap from Friday. So I'm just gonna thread my upper lip and my eyebrows today. I used to do it twice a week when we were in the office a bit more, but nowadays there's only really a need to do it once a week. If I leave it longer than that, it just hurts when I do it because the hair's grown so long. Just put some earrings in and just on my brows, and that is me set for the day. I'll just put my glasses back on so I can see. Now I'm set for the day. Alright, so I have done my hair. Probably gonna go for a walk soon, and for now I'm just gonna continue working. Hey guys, so it's about lunchtime and I actually have a little bit of a confession. I did purchase some trainers. If you don't know, this is probably not that much of a fun fact, but I'm a little bit obsessed with trainers and all things trainers. They're a style of trainers that were on my wish list and they were unavailable absolutely everywhere, because what I tend to do is put something on my wish list and then by the time I get around to either wanting to buy it, having the funds to buy it, it's just not available. It's either not on like the website anymore or it's like last season or something. So that's kind of annoying thing about having a wish list and actually getting into a good habit of not buying things, is that when you eventually find things that you want to buy, or you want to buy something that you wanted for a while, it's not available anymore. With my whole kind of low buy, intentional spending journey, I do give myself a little bit of a break or make an excuse for trainers. But I'll show you those soon because I love them. They're the Nike Air Max 98s. And they're in like a biscuity toffee colour. Like I know they're gonna go with everything I already wear. Mainly because I wear a lot of mismatched stuff anyway. I'm trying them on right now. Hello, I am Dev's new shoe. Welcome to my vlog. Is it too close? This would have been better if I had a Scottish accent. Nutella secured. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you a tour of my work from home space because I rearranged it and I really like it. I also got an allowance from work for some work from home gear, so that is why I have a new screen, a new lamp, a new little desk monitor riser thing, and that has proved really nice. Mainly for editing, I'm not gonna lie, and for work as well, because I do deal with a lot of spreadsheets that have a lot of data on them, so being able to see them on this like huge screen has been a really nice luxury over the last few weeks. So this is my current workspace. So I've got the little bonsai tree there, and this is actually just a little mic holder for filming YouTube videos. I've not actually filmed with a mic yet, so I'm really excited to, but I feel like it's all kind of set up now for me to just do whatever. So basically this monitor is really awesome because it's a USB-C monitor, so both my work laptop and my personal MacBook have USB-C ports on them, so it basically charges the MacBook when the display monitor is on, which is super helpful because it means I have less wires down here clogging everything up, and that's one of the main reasons I bought it. And also it's got a couple of USB ports there which I'm charging my earphones and my iPad, which I use to make little animations and title screens for my YouTube videos, so I like to have that handy. I feel like it's seamless because everything I need to do work is here and everything I need to do YouTube is here, and I just keep all like my little gadgets and stuff there. And I actually just want to talk about this lamp because it's awesome as well. It's just an IKEA lamp, but it's actually just got a little wireless charging pad and a little USB support on the back, so I can charge my phone, my iPad and my earphones all at the same station, which is awesome. Can you tell I'm just geeking out over this setup a little bit? I absolutely love it, and I feel super productive, and I'm most importantly in front of the sun all day as long as it's up. So I guess this is the end of this little vlog, guys. It was a little bit of a chaotic mess, which is what everyone's life is right now probably, but my life is. Hope you enjoy it. Hope there was a little bit of escapism from walking into town earlier. But thank you for tuning in and giving this a watch, and I hope you have a great peaceful week wherever in the world you are. Hopefully you're not in lockdown as well. And I'll see you next week. Bye.